So I'm out here doing a quick extra sweep. This roof just got finished up yesterday. Homeowners are not here. I'm not out here just sweeping just so aesthetically they see me, the perception is real. I actually do extra sweeps after every single job to get any and all nails, right? I don't want there to be any issues. Not a great deal, but a few small nails can cause a major issue. Pop a tire, someone steps on it, a dog, whatever it might be. So going after every single job, doing a quality control inspection, so going up on the roof, flying a drone, etc., to just make sure that the work is up to snuff. I mean, you're the business owner, you're the guy that's doing the work, you're the one holding all the liability. Make sure that it's done right. So just take that extra little bit of effort. One, it's going to make you feel better knowing that things are being done the right way. But the other part is it makes the homeowner feel right. They know that they chose the right person, the right company. Now that these things have been accomplished, not only did you do everything on the front end to get the sale, you've also done your part on the back end to ensure that you fulfilled on the promise that you told them. It's going to make them feel that much more comfortable and confident with the project, more likely to leave a review, more likely to give you more customers. But it's not just about that. It's about making them feel good about their decision. You want the feelings around your company in this process to be positive. You want a customer to think back in 3 or 4 years about their full roof replacement process, and it be a positive one that they're like, oh yeah, I remember doing work with Happy Days, this company, right? And all I remember is that like Brett handled everything. It was super easy. He dealt with the insurance. All I had to pay was my deductible and figure out what color I wanted. He made everything else seamless for me. He even came back afterwards, swept the yard one more time with the magnetic sweep, and inspected the roof and gave me proof of it. He kept me in the loop the whole way through. So doing these little small things, really not hard, and it should be a standard in this industry, but there's so many guys that just half-ass this process. Once the sale's made, they hand it over to production, and they just let it ride. So little small tip, nothing crazy. Come by, do a quality control inspection, do an extra sweep, let the homeowner know that you got their back, you're taking care of them, but it's also good for you. You're warranting this work, you're liable for all of it. Do the little small things, it goes a long way. You sleep better at night, and you most likely get more customers from it. So hope you guys got a little something from this video, and I'll see you on the next one.